Do you want to make cash from your craft? Is your craft something that you've got that you're thinking, I really wish I could make some extra money from? Good news is you can. So let me quickly talk you through my cash system. Let's spell out the word cash in a way that really is going to bring the cash into your business. First of all, we have that letter C, which stands for cash. It stands for craft, but there's one more thing, one more C that we need to add to that to actually really make your business happen and pop and put that cash in your pocket. And that is customers. Without your customers, you simply don't have a business. So don't prioritize your craft. Don't make for yourself, make for your customers. Create the things that they want to buy, that they need, that they desire, that they have a use for, and figure out what those triggers are. Why do they buy them? Why do they need them? How can you help them even more with your product and your business? Your craft is the means to creating the product that you sell to the customers that brings the cash into your business. You can't just take your craft and go, right, I'm selling this today, come and buy it. You're not going to have that audience and the customers there ready. So instead, get out there, figure out your customers, get to know them, get inside their head, and then you can get the cash in your pocket because they're going to be queuing up to buy from you. Customers love handmade. Okay, so the next one is having accountability. It's actually about taking action as well. And whether you're taking baby steps or big leaps forward in your business, it doesn't matter as long as you are moving forward. That's what makes the difference. It doesn't matter whether you're going to do this over the next 6 months, the next year, or the next 5 years, or the next 10 years. What matters is that you are accountable and that you are taking actions. Otherwise, it doesn't matter how well you know your customers. It doesn't matter how amazing you are at your craft. This is just going to stay as a dream. And we don't want that. We want the cash in your pocket. So let's make this happen. Tell your family, tell your friends. And if they laugh at you, blinking well prove them wrong and show them that who's laughing last now, because you are going to achieve this and you are going to do it. Or if they are supporting you and they are absolutely amazing and behind you 100%, ask them to check in with you and to actually hold you accountable. Also, find yourself a support system, the system where you can go and you can be rallied up by others around you, because you're still going to have the bad days. You're still going to have the days where you want to hide away. You're still going to have the days where you just think, whose idea was this? Why did I start? So you need that support system. You need that accountability. Next, it's all about the strategy. You need a plan. How much money do you want to make? How are you going to make it? How much of your craft do you need to sell? How easy is that for you to achieve? How easy is it for your buyer to buy from you? How are you going to connect with them? How are you going to get noticed by them? And how are you going to make all this happen? Where are you going to be? You have a limited amount of time. You have a limited amount of resources. So don't try and do everything and be seen everywhere all at once. Be selective. Do the important parts, do the jobs that you need to put the cash in your pocket. Okay, so then we move on to H. H comes back. It's circling all the way back to your customers. It's how do you help them? The way you help your customers is going to propel your business forward. That's the thing that makes the difference. You're talking about how you help them. You're helping them make decisions. You're helping them by providing the service and the products that they need to improve their life, to make something better, to make them feel good. You're making a difference literally to somebody. So it's identifying how you help them. It's explaining that and helping them make the decision that you're the right person to help them. Everything within business, whether it's the marketing, it's the selling, it's the creating the products in the first place, it's all about helping your customers. If you keep that at the center of everything that you do, you're going to be putting cash in your pocket very, very soon. And all because of your craft. Craft plus customers equals cash. Bingo. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell if you're watching on YouTube, or come over and follow the Facebook page, A Handcrafted Business on Facebook, or my Instagram account, A Handcrafted Biz, wherever you are most comfortable. I look forward to seeing you there and giving you some more amazing advice so you can put even more cash in your pocket.